Good morning to everybody. So yesterday what we learned? We learned the properties, triangle and its properties. What is median? The line segment joining from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. What is altitude? A perpendicular line drawn from any vertex to the opposite side. Right? Now exercise 6.1. What it is given for you? Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. That is triangle diagram is given in triangle PQR. This is the triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. PM. It is a perpendicular line, and then after that, PD is there. It is given that QM. D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR. Now the first question is PM is an what? PM, it is an altitude. PM is an altitude. What is the definition of altitude? The perpendicular line drawn from any vertex to the opposite side. Right? After that, given that, second answer for the second one, given that QD equal to DR, because D is the midpoint of QR, it is given. So QD equal to DR. So what you can conclude that PD is the median. PD is the median. What is the definition of median? The line segment joining from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. To the midpoint of the opposite side. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, is QM equal to MR? Third one is QM equal to MR. Third part is QM equal to MR. No, because M is not the midpoint of QR. Because M is not the midpoint of QR. And also PM is not the median. PM is not the median. Right? Only D is the midpoint of QR, it is given. Because M is not the midpoint of QR. M is not the midpoint of QR. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question now? What is the second question for you? Draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, B is the median. Are you getting there? What you have to do? You have to draw the rough sketch. You have to draw the rough sketch. You have to draw the rough sketch for the following. In triangle ABC, B is the median. So it is a triangle ABC. Please remember, the median always lies interior to the triangle. Okay? So you have to, B is the median. So it is B, you can E. That is E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. They asked us to draw the median BE. So the line segment joining from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. That is called as what? Median. So B is the median now. Am I right? Shall we move to the next question? What is the next question for you? Second question. Second question. B. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of a triangle. So please remember, when we can have the two altitudes only in the right triangle. Only in the right triangle. That is legs of the two legs of the right angle triangle. Other than the hypotenuse. Now that second part is, we need two altitudes in triangle PQR, PQ and PR. PQ and PR. So these are the two altitudes. Okay, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. Right? So PQ is an altitude and PR is an altitude. So when you are finding the area of the triangle, half into base into height. Alright. So either you can take PQ as the base or PR as the base. Okay, in a right angle triangle we are having two altitudes. Then third part, that is part C. What do you have to find? In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. So altitude may lie interior or exterior. If it is an obtuse angle triangle, then it always lies exterior of the triangle. Am I right here? So XYZ, YL is an altitude. So it is a triangle X, Y, Z. You have to draw an altitude from Y, YL. It is L. So YL is an altitude, and also the altitude lies exterior of the triangle. Are you getting here? Right? Now, shall we move to the third part now? Third question. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. Right. Now, first to draw an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? In a triangle, if any two sides are equal, then it is called as an isosceles triangle. Otherwise, in a triangle, if any two base angles are equal, then also it is an isosceles triangle. Here what they asked us to draw? Draw a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Now, first you draw a triangle PQR. First now draw an altitude from P to QR. Draw a perpendicular line. Right? You can name it as S. S. Right? That is PS is perpendicular to QR. We drawn PS is perpendicular to QR. Draw PS perpendicular to QR. Now, it is an altitude for the triangle PQR. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Then, what we can observe, this length of QS and RS are same. QS and RS are same. If QS equal to RS, then what we can say that S is the midpoint of QR. QS equal to RS, therefore S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore S is the midpoint of QR. If S is the midpoint of QR, then what we can say that PS is the median. Therefore PS is the median. So in an isosceles triangle, median acts as an altitude and altitude acts as a median. Are you getting there? Right. This is the question number 3. This is question number 3. Now, shall we move to the question number 4 now? That's all. Only 3 questions in this exercise. Okay. Then tomorrow we will start exercise 6.2. Before that, we have to learn what is the angle sum property of a triangle and then exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Then today I will share one model. Okay. From HeyMath. Okay. I will post in a Google Classroom. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you. That tomorrow we will discuss about the angle sum property of a triangle and exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Thank you everybody. Thank you.